Hey guys, I'm here. This is my YouTube channel, The Garden Givers. So guys, don't forget to subscribe my channel and like my video. I hope you all will be fine. So today my topic is upcycled pallet into the flower planter box. So upcycling pallets into a flower planter box is a creative way to repurpose old wood pallets and give them a new life as a functional and decorative element in your garden or outdoor space. So, to start, you will need to gather a few supplies, including a wooden pallet, a saw, a drill, screw or nail, sandpaper, a staple gun, and landscaping fabric. You may also want to consider adding some paints or stain to enhance the appearance of your planter box. So first use the saw to cut the pallet into sections depending on the size of the planter box you want to create. You can use the bottom section of the pallet as the base of the planter box and the sides and other pieces to construct the walls and partitions. So, next sand down any rough edges or splinters on the pallet's pieces to create a smooth surface. Thus, use screw or nail to assemble the wall and partition of the planter box, making secure to create a sturdy structure. Once the wall and partition are assembled, line the side of planter box with landscaping fabric using a stamp gun to secure it in place. This will help prevent soil and water from leaking out of the planter box and keep the plants healthy. Finally, fill the planter box with soil and add your favorite plants or flowers. You can also add a layer of mutual or decorative rocks to give it finished look. Upcycling pallets into a flower planter box is a fun and eco-friendly